At number 1, we have the OUAI Fine Hair Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This travel-size duo is designed specifically for fine, flat hair that needs volume without heaviness. Formulated with keratin, biotin, and chia seed oil, it strengthens strands, reduces breakage, and adds noticeable body. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and color-safe, making it suitable for treated hair. The 3 Oz size is perfect for short trips or as a trial before committing to full-size bottles. Users frequently praise the luxurious scent, lightweight feel, and visible volume boost that lasts. It works well for daily use during travel and doubles as a thoughtful gift. The only downsides? A higher price point, and it may not be enough for very dry hair. But for fine hair, it's a top choice. At number 2, we have the MightyGood Wipe That Tush On-The-Go Flushable Wipes. These individually wrapped wipes are a travel essential for on-the-go freshness. Perfect for stashing in a purse, backpack, or carry-on. They're extra large and soft, cleaning thoroughly while remaining gentle on sensitive skin. Infused with aloe and vitamin E, they're fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and suitable for the whole family. Best of all, they're made with plant-based fibers, break down quickly, and are septic safe, so you can flush without worry. Users love their softness, effectiveness, and convenience for airplanes, road trips, or public restrooms. The only downsides? The single packs may run out quickly on longer trips, and the packaging can feel bulky if you need to carry many.
At number 3, we have the Mrsdry 16-pack travel bottle set. This comprehensive 16-piece set includes everything you need: silicone bottles, jars, spray bottles, a funnel, cleaning brush, labels, and a clear toiletry bag. The bottles feature a leak-proof design with no drip valves, so you can pack with confidence. Wide openings make filling and cleaning a breeze, even with thick lotions or conditioners. Made from flexible, food-grade silicone, it's durable, reusable, and BPA-free. The clear bag keeps everything organized and TSA ready, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for frequent travelers. Customers love the variety and value. However, some report minor leaks if not sealed tightly, and the silicone can retain scents. Plus, with so many pieces, it might be more than minimalists need. But for a complete, reliable kit, it's a top choice.
At number 4, we have the Zafit 18-pack travel bottles for Toiletries. This is an expanded 18-piece silicone set covering bottles, jars, sprays, spoons, a funnel, brush, labels, and a transparent bag. The leak-proof design has been tested under pressure, making it ideal for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and body wash. The food-grade, BPA-free silicone is soft, squeezable, and durable. Plus, the multicolored options help with quick identification of your products. Reviewers praise the generous quantity, solid seals, and overall organization for both short and longer trips. The key features are an 18-piece multi-combination set with a clear bag, TSA-approved leak-proof bottles and jars, food-grade material, and tools for easy filling and cleaning. The pros include a high quantity and variety at a competitive price, strong leak resistance, a soft squeeze feel, and complete accessories for convenience. The cons are that color options may vary. There are occasional reports of thinner silicone on some pieces, and it can feel bulky if packing only a few items. All in all, the Zafit 18-pack is a comprehensive and reliable solution for all your travel toiletry needs.
At number 5, we have the Cosywell Leakproof Squeeze Bottles Travel Kit. This is a straightforward 4-pack of 3.4 Oz bottles. 3 are pre-labeled for shampoo, conditioner, and body soap, and 1 is blank for your custom needs. They're perfectly TSA compliant and come with a clear travel bag, so you can breeze through airport security. The tight seal flip caps minimize leaks, and the sturdy plastic is easy to squeeze and clean. The included travel bag is durable, with quality zippers and reinforced seams, making it ideal for frequent trips. A simple, reliable, and affordable solution for your travel toiletries. The Cosywell Travel Kit is a must-have for any trip.
At number 7, we have the United Scientific 3 Oz travel bottles. These laboratory-grade HDPE bottles feature lined polypropylene screw-top lids that create a highly reliable seal. The 3 Oz capacity is TSA friendly, and the clear, durable construction is impact resistant. Designed for both travel and lab use, they handle liquids securely without the flexibility of silicone. Ideal for users who prioritize a rigid, no-nonsense container. Reviewers note excellent leak resistance and long-term durability. They are sturdy, reusable, and a good value in a 6-pack. However, the narrow mouth makes filling thicker products harder, and they aren't squeezable, requiring pouring. They're also less stylish than colorful silicone sets. In summary, these are the go-to choice for reliable, durable, and leak-proof travel or lab storage.
At number 8, we have the DNSEN 5-pack, 3.4 Oz empty plastic travel bottles. This is a budget-friendly 5-pack of clear 3.4 Oz plastic squeeze bottles, perfect for packing multiple liquids without spending much. The threaded design and secure lids prevent leaks, while the soft plastic allows for easy dispensing. It even includes waterproof labels for easy organization of your toiletries. Lightweight and TSA compliant, users love the simplicity, squeezability, and unbeatable value for money on short trips. They're the perfect, simple solution for your travel, gym, or backup toiletry needs.
At number 9, we have the Morfone Travel Bottles Kits with Toiletry Bag. This versatile kit includes a mix of pump bottles, flip bottles, spray bottles, jars, spoons, a funnel, cleaning brush, labels, and a clear zipper bag. All containers stay under the 3.4 Oz limit and feature upgraded leak-proof seals with stoppers. Food-grade, BPA-free materials ensure safety for toiletries or even food items. The organized set makes packing efficient and airport checks smooth. Customers frequently mention the good variety and reliable performance for both short and extended trips. The pros: a well-rounded assortment in one package, strong seals that protect luggage, and it includes useful tools for filling and cleaning. The construction is soft yet durable, making it great for organized travelers. The cons: some pieces may be unused by minimalist packers. There are occasional reports of pump mechanisms stiffening, and color options vary.
At number 10, we have the Valourgo travel bottles for toiletries. This solid 4-pack of 3.4 Oz silicone tubes features a 3-layer leak-proof system and a wide-mouth design for easy filling and cleaning. Made from BPA-free food-grade silicone, they're soft, squeezable, and come with a clear toiletry bag for convenient transport. Reviewers consistently praise the secure seals, ease of filling, and overall value. They're excellent for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or soap. The pros are clear, highly effective leak protection, a soft squeeze feel, a simple 4-pack design, easy maintenance, and a good price-to-performance ratio. The cons are minor. A limited quantity compared to larger kits, silicone that may absorb strong scents, and fewer included accessories. A dependable choice for reliable performance.
At number 8, we have the DNSEN 5-pack, 3.4 Oz empty plastic travel bottles. This is a budget-friendly 5-pack of clear 3.4 Oz plastic squeeze bottles, perfect for packing multiple liquids without spending much. The threaded design and secure lids prevent leaks, while the soft plastic allows for easy dispensing. It even includes waterproof labels for easy organization of your toiletries. Lightweight and TSA compliant, users love the simplicity, squeezability, and unbeatable value for money on short trips. They're the perfect, simple solution for your travel, gym, or backup toiletry needs. At number 13, we have the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL. These ultra-soft disposable face towels come in convenient travel packs, with 3 packs of 10 totaling 30 towels. Made from 100% USDA bio-based fibers, they are dermatologist-tested, Eczema Association accepted, vegan, and compostable. The dry towels can be used with water or cleanser for gentle cleansing or makeup removal. They are lint-free and highly absorbent. Travelers love them for maintaining a clean skincare routine on planes, in hotels, or while camping without worrying about bacteria or laundry. The pros are clear: an extremely hygienic single-use design that's soft on sensitive skin, eco-friendly, and perfectly sized for travel. However, the cons are worth noting. They have a higher cost per use than reusable towels and require water to activate fully. Overall, the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL are a top-tier hygienic solution for clean skin on the go.